Okay, so this is something just a little interesting, quick little video here. I recently got my hands on a CD for Fallout. This is actually going to be kind of fun. So I'm just gonna install Fallout because I know a lot of y'all are going to be interested in this. So let's just do it. Go to the D drive, directory, setup, readme, program, master, manual, all that kind of stuff. Let's do install. And yes, I do know that that is making a lot of noise. It's just because the case isn't put on properly. I'm lazy. So, let's do humongous installation. We'll do medium because we don't want to break everything. Yeah. All good. Next. Okay. So, I can just use my mouse. Makes that a little bit easier. Okay, done. Well, how about we do a small installation? Nothing big, just a small installation, about 2 meg, which is kind of surprising. Auto detects, please. Okay, if that's what you think it is, then that is what we will use. Okay, did that... dir/W will give you this little thing right here. Don't know why it's down there though, that's kind of strange. Okay, let's do none of those. Let's just go to C drive. CD dir that W. Alrighty. Duke Doom Fallout, which it isn't. Okay. How about we do go to exit, go back to Windows. Yes. Take the disk out. And then put it back in. Now it should do an auto run feature, which theoretically works, but I don't know. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, I guess I'm not going to play, I'm going to install again. I guess it wants me to do this in Windows. That's fine. Sure, why not? Because I can't uninstall or play it, because, yeah. Sure, reinstall DirectX. This is running on the wonderful 95 machine as well. I'm hoping everything works. It should. Okay. Fun fact, Xbox originally was going to be named the DirectX box because that is what the X stands for. Is, well, DirectX, like the program. Alright. Oh, restart your machine. Okay. Go ahead and restart then. That is totally fine by me. Should probably turn that down a tad, though. Let's, yeah. Okay, so let's put that back in. And after that very long time of waiting, funny enough, still shorter amount of time than my new laptop starts up, let's see if Fallout will actually start up. Next thing to get, SimCity. I have the very, suspicious feeling that that probably just wouldn't work. Wait a minute, that light's working again. What? Okay, so I don't know, in previous videos, like recent previous videos on this computer, you notice that light has not been working, but now all of a sudden it is. I've got nothing, I do not know why. And why are you telling me to install when I believe I've already installed? I'll just do it again then. Okay, let's play Fallout. If it'll work. Only thing limiting me is the hard drive, but I'm going to do a fresh install of Windows with save files, of course, and drivers. But yeah, I'll be doing a fresh install of Windows on here eventually, once I find a... I'll be doing it with floppy disks, if I can actually get enough floppy disks, but as many of you would understand, that is kind of difficult to do because, floppy disks are becoming increasingly more expensive. And with Windows 95, there are a lot of disks that you're going to have to use. So, yeah, there's that. Oop. For gamers, by gamers. Interplay. That's not what that says. Yes, it is. Copyright strikes. It's a wonderful thing, isn't it? Well, it really isn't, but I gotta mute this part of the video because, you know, strikes. So that does kind of suck, but I'm just gonna... Yeah, listen to me while the video plays in the background. It's nice, isn't it? Maybe by the Ink Spots. Great song. But it should be over about now, so just go ahead and watch the video. Only $200,000. So cheap. Haha, more voiceovers, because YouTube hates music. Yay, this one shouldn't be very long. I mean, it really oh, here's the end. I will be doing a longer video on this later, but I will say this is... Ooh.
Shaped a battered Germany into an economic superpower. But war never changed. In the 21st century, war was still waged over the resources that could be acquired. Only this time, the spoils of war were also its weapons. Petroleum and uranium. For these resources, China would invade Alaska, the US would annex Canada, and the European Commonwealth would dissolve into quarreling, bickering nation-states, bent on controlling the last remaining resources on Earth. In 2077, the storm of world war had come again. In 2 brief hours, most of the planet was reduced to cinders. And from the ashes of nuclear devastation, a new civilization would struggle to arise. A few were able to reach the relative
Okay, that's cool. And that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm sorry. That I'm absolutely going to make yeah, yes. That's all I gotta say is just yes. That's gonna be a lot of fun. But for now, that's it. Thanks so much for watching the video. I know it wasn't a very long one, or yeah, it just wasn't a very long video, but thank you so much for watching, and well, take care.